What's up, creatives? John Wan here, director, photographer, recording artist, back with another DIY music video setup. Since we last spoke, I had my hands tied building out this Politics as Usual platform. So if you haven't already, make sure you like this video and that you subscribe. Every week, we're bringing you exclusive freestyles and interviews from some of the hottest artists in the tri-state. We've also updated our music video playlist with most of our recent work, so it's something for everyone up there. Keep it live. For this video, I put together a boxing gym in my studio for my homegirl BigBerry Buckz out of Newark. She's pretty damn tough, and I wanted to relay that in the visual. I ordered cotton rope on Amazon, about 200 feet, or enough to really wrap around poles and literally anything to give me the look of a boxing ring. The main thing that could not go undiscussed was this kickboxing bag that I've had since about 12, which really completed the look. Feel free to get creative and substitute this for a $20 to $30 punching bag also found on Amazon. Overall, this visual really hit hard. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. If you find these tutorials useful, please let me know in the comments and let me know what else I should cover next time. The best way to stay updated with new content with me is on Instagram @PlentySkills or with my production company @UsualPolitics and @P.A.U Studios LLC on all platforms. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video and that you subscribe. I truly appreciate you guys for staying locked in, and I look forward to bringing you many more of these in the new year. Keep grinding, creatives. Peace.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.